Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TopStep. TopStep offers a fantastic opportunity for aspiring traders to showcase their abilities and potentially earn a funded trading account. It's designed to help you develop crucial trading skills, including disciplined execution and effective risk management, all within a supportive environment. We'll go over the entire process, from getting started to successfully managing your funded account, so you can confidently navigate your trading journey. Let's dive in. Your journey with TopStep begins by signing up for a Trading Combine account. This is your initial evaluation phase where you'll demonstrate your trading prowess. After signing up, you'll select your preferred trading platform and connect it to your TopStep account. It's crucial to thoroughly review and understand the specific trading rules and objectives for the Combine. These guidelines are designed to help you build good habits and set you up for success as you progress through the program. Make sure you're familiar with every detail. As you navigate the Trading Combine, your primary focus should be on consistent performance and strict adherence to the established risk parameters. TopStep provides a wealth of educational resources, including webinars and coaching, which you should definitely utilize to refine your trading strategy. Regularly monitor your progress through the performance dashboard. It offers valuable insights into your trading metrics and helps you stay on track towards achieving your goals. Remember, discipline is key during this crucial evaluation period. Once you successfully complete the Trading Combine by meeting all the specified objectives, congratulations. You'll then transition to a funded account, trading with TopStep's capital. This is a significant milestone, but the learning doesn't stop there. Continue to apply the sound trading principles and risk management strategies you developed during the Combine. Effectively managing your funded account is essential for long-term success and growth within the TopStep community. We're excited to see you thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.